Sustain!
Nutrition.
Still got it. Still got it.
Still got the ability to be a total dickhead. Yeah.
Still got the whole 4 seconds.
I really thought you lost that.
Thought I'd lost it between videos. Right, Joe, what are we talking about?
Why diets fail?
Why diets fail? Why do diets fail?
Because
talk to me.
I think because the word diet is the way that people take it. They think it's a short-term solution. I can go on a diet. I'm going to go on a diet. It's not something that they stick to for a length of time.
That's it. As soon as someone says, I'm going on a diet, I need to go on a diet, it's that idea that it's a short-term thing as opposed to diet, which means
the food that you eat.
Food that you consume daily, that's it, isn't it?
So it should be something, everybody's on a diet all the time in that sense, and you should have something that's, you're following a system or an approach that means that you are
sustainable.
The shape you'd like to be. Indeed, maybe. I wonder if there's an approach to promote such a lifestyle.
But yeah, so generally the diet industry is designed to fail.
Yeah.
And that's why people are going back to it. So, people will use it and it'll work short term, so due to like a massive calorie deficit, so whether you're replacing foods with shakes, which is fucking stupid, just get it straight out there,
restricting yourself massively, starving yourself, any of these things, exercising too much, whilst that's not very common, some people do it to the nth degree, normally alongside one of the dietary plans James just mentioned. So if you really strict themselves, not eat enough, hammer the gym, eat less, move more. It's confusing. It's the government advice that we probably wouldn't recommend. Well, we definitely wouldn't recommend.
No,
it's like taking fuel out of your car and expecting to drive it further.
Oh, that is never going to work.
Yeah, it's not going to happen, is it?
You are going to break down.
You're a mechanic, isn't it?
I can drive.
You're wasted. Yeah.
I'm a multi-talented. I'm like a triple threat.
So the problem would be with these restrictive approaches that then, as soon as they've worked, so well done, James, you've got down to your lightest ever of 110 kilos.
It's about
You've wasted away. And then what do you do?
My mum tells me off. Yeah, and then I stop, eating Weight Watchers food, or I, stop drinking 2 shakes a day, and then I've learned absolutely nothing about nutrition or portion control or anything like that, because I've just been given like a little microwave turd to eat like 3 times a day, or I've given
a... Once you look so good, just those microwavable turds.
Like, you shouldn't cook them at work. Or given a shake, to drink twice a day, some magic shake that's got all, a blend of vitamins,
diuretics and protein,
and all sorts of crap and actual pieces of cookie in it. I go back to eating normally because I've not learned any good habits. I gain the weight back, and then I think, shit, I've gained all this weight back, what am I going to do? Oh, I know what worked for me, the stupid fucking shake diet. Or the microwave turd.
You've been on 4 times and you still look the same after 3 years.
So then I go back to it and then it works again, but then it's like, let me use my analogy.
I was going to say, do you have a good analogy we could use for the situation?
It's like if I had toothache and I went to the dentist and they fixed it, and then the next month the same tooth hurt and I went back and fixed it and went back again and again and again. It wouldn't keep on going back to the same dentist for the same problem. I would find a new dentist, or I'd find a different solution for it.
Rather than hammering away at the same.
But unfortunately, people do that.
Yeah. So what's the way around it?
What is the way around it? It's making small changes, I believe. Because I believe hashtags habits make results.
There you go. What more do you need?
Cashback.
So, following these things where you're not teaching yourself any habits, you're not teaching your body to take in real foods, that when you leave your shakes or you leave your starvation behind, you just reach the same food you ate before, which is why you were fat, essentially, because you've been eating the wrong foods. So if you keep going for those things and you don't change the habits and start eating real food and make something sustainable, then you're not going to be able to stick to it for a period of time.
It's got to be looking at a lifelong change, you know what I mean? So not looking at that 4, 5, 6 weeks, but looking at, this is how I'm going to eat for the rest of my life. So that's why it's, like I say,
if you can't see yourself eating this way in a year's time, then it's probably not the right approach for you. You need to find something that you can keep doing. Obviously, if you're trying to lose weight quickly, then the stricter you are, the better, but it needs to be something where you can still factor in small cheats and keep yourself, one chocolate bar won't make you fat.
Just like one apple won't make you healthy.
No, I've tried that approach.
But that's it. Worked. It's like, so when we say about changing habits, it's not like, so if all I do is I change my habits by, instead of having Cocoa Pops, I have Special K, and then at lunch.
Or Coke instead of Diet Coke.
Yeah, you're not changing habits, you're just changing what you're eating. You're still getting exactly the same kind of stuff, but it might be less calories, but you're looking at kind of less calories, less nutrients. We want to look at nutrient-rich food over calorie-dense food.
Yeah, trying to be healthier alongside. People tend to just look at the fat loss, what the scales say, but actually, you know, if you're getting healthier at the same time, then you've got to think of the benefits of that as well. Why not do both if you can do both?
As you're getting healthier, then better body composition is a fun side effect.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Perfect. Yeah, good stuff.
So please subscribe to our channel, which hopefully you'll be able to see because you're watching it.
Like and share the videos.
Like and share. Find us on Facebook, Sustain
Instagram,
Nutrition.
Sustain_Nutri. Just talk over each other.
Yeah, same photo. We're like a bigger and a deck, but with smaller foreheads.
I'm much younger than you.
What a joke. Experience. Right, until next time, one love.